Imagine this. You have a brilliant idea for a website, a place where your products, blogs, or services can shine. You're excited until you stare at the endless lines of code, complicated interfaces, and design options that seem straight out of an architect's toolkit. Web building feels overwhelming, but here's the twist. It doesn't have to be. With the latest in drag and drop editors, intuitive design tools, and user-friendly templates, you're no longer in a battlefield of HTML tags and CSS classes. Building a website today is like piecing together a puzzle. Each block fits effortlessly, and with each step, you see your vision take shape. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essentials, from picking the right platform to arranging your first template and customizing it with ease. No coding degree, no graphic design experience, just a few clicks, and you'll be ready to launch your corner of the internet.